If X follows NB of R comma P, find its MGF and hence find its mean and variance. Shows X follows NB of R comma P means a random variable X follows negative binomial distribution with the parameter R comma P. Solution. We know the negative binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution with the parameter R comma P. That's why this negative binomial distribution has probability mass function. So given X follows NB of R comma P, hence it has probability mass function P of X is given by minus R Cx P power R minus Q power X. Here X running from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay, it is clear because here the random variable follows negative binomial distribution. Its PMF value is P of X is equals to minus Rx P power R minus Q power X. It is the formula for probability mass function of a random variable X if X follows negative binomial distribution. Okay, we want to find MGF. What is MGF here? MGF means moment generating function. Formula for the moment generating function of a random variable is mx of t. E of e power tx. It is the formula for moment generating function of a random variable x. And it is of the form e of x. E of x means it is a discrete case. That's why summation e power tx into p of x, because it has the formula e of x is equals to summation x into p of x, because x is a discrete. Okay, is equals to summation. In this case, x rises from 0 to infinity. So x is equal to 0 to infinity e power tx. Here p of x value is this. That is minus R Cx P power R minus Q power X. This is equals to summation x is equals to 0 to infinity. Here P power R is the term not contain x. That's why we write it outside of the summation P power R. Write minus R Cx. We club these two terms, that is minus Q e power t whole power x. For our summation, this summation is of the form, we have the binomial theorem a plus b whole power n. What is a plus b whole power n formula? NC0 a power n minus 0 b power 0 plus NC1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus and so on. And this can be written in summation form as summation r equals to 0 to n NCR a power n minus r and b power r. After our summation value to this summation, here n value is minus r, Here a value, there is no a value because the power of a is of the form n minus r. There is no power of n minus r form here. And the b power r is of the form minus q e power t whole power x, because b power has only one number or one value. So we compare our summation to this summation. This can be written in binomial form as, what is a value here? In our summation there is no a value, that's why 1. Here a value is 1. And what is b value here? B value is minus q e power t, that's why plus into minus minus q e power t whole power. What is n value here? Minus r. P power r 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r. This is the moment generating function of a random variable. That random variable follows negative binomial distribution. We want to find mean. What is mean formula? In a moment generating function, mean formula is d by dt of mx of t at t equals to 0. This is d by dt of, what is mx of t here? Here is p power r 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r. This is mx of t. Now differentiate t terms with respect to t only. Here p power r is the constant, and taking it outside, p power r, what is the derivative of, which is of the form x power n? What is the derivative of x power n? D by dx of x power n equals to n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of x. Okay, so this is of the form d by dt of 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r. Now write, this is of the form d by dx of x power n. Now we write the formula for this. P power r into x power n form, n into x power n minus 1, that is minus r into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r minus 1 into d by dt of 1 minus q e power t. Now minus r p power r minus r p power r 1 minus q e power t whole power minus of r plus 1. What is the derivative of 1 minus q e power t? Derivative of 1 value is 0 minus derivative of q e power t means q e power x form. Derivative of e power x is e power x only, here x. Now at t equals to 0, at t equals to 0, at t equals to 0. Now derivation part is completed here, and this derivation part can be written properly. Here minus into minus plus, so r p power r 1 minus q e power t whole power minus of r plus 1 into q e power t at t equals to 0. Put t equals to 0 in this first derivation. Then we have r p power r 1 minus q. E power 0 means 1. So the remaining value is 1 minus q only here. Power minus of r plus 1 into q into e power t value. e power 0. That's why it is 1 only. Or p power r. 1 minus q means p only. P power minus of r plus 1 into q. Why? Because 1 minus q is p. We know the formula. P plus q equals to 1. P equals to 1 minus q. Q equals to 1 minus p also. Okay. Right. R p power r. P power minus r into p power minus 1 into q. P power r, p power minus r cancel. The remaining values are rq by p. rq by p only. Okay, this is the mean value of negative binomial distribution by using moment generating function.